Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tech Break by Friday. This week, I want to start this episode by asking you a question. Are you the type of person who has multiple browser tabs open, and do you still try to manage your tabs in a couple of days and you forget where you even read this information? So, if you are this type of person or not, please comment down below if you're listening on Substack or Spotify, and feel free to include your answer if you want in the review section of Apple Podcasts, because I would really like to see how many people are out there with the same issue that I'm having. So, I would like to know basically how many are exactly like me. Apparently, AI browsers are promising to solve this problem for all of us. This week, OpenAI released its AI browser, currently available only for Mac OS, which made headlines. And I will leave some links for all the browsers that we have mentioned in this podcast in order for you to go and check them out in the show notes and the sources section of this podcast. So, this podcast is basically just a review of the most well-known AI browsers out there and what are basically their advantages and disadvantages. This is part one. There is also part two of this section, which we basically discuss what is an AI browser and basically why this technology matters and how this will shape our future. So, this is part two, and it's coming up after this one. So, tune in to listen to both of the episodes if you're really interested into that. So, first of all, let's start with the most recent one, which is OpenAI ChatGPT Atlas. So, basically, the idea of this browser is that you browse like you have a conversation with your computer. The unique features that it has is the agent mode that completes browsing tasks, context aware chat, basically, it knows what you have visited before with the cross site memory, and it has a voice input available, so you just don't even have to type anymore. You can just like use the um, your microphone and just like browse again. The focus is that they want to integrate OpenAI's ecosystem, and they want to move forward from like their assistant only inside the browser tab to like a super assistant that basically knows all your digital world. The current status is that, as I said, it's available for Mac OS only, and they have like announced that soon will come Windows, iOS, and Android for mobile. Next up to the line, we have Perplexity Comet. The vision for Perplexity was to turn basically research into a seamless conversational process. So their unique features are that AI searches across open tabs and summarizes results. It can perform actions like booking or emailing, and it has like on the side as ChatGPT as well, an assistant preview that you can open it and basically like use it as your personal assistant. The focus is more on the utility, like basically Perplexity mentions that this browser is built by a search company to like promote searches by itself, so you don't have like to even search anymore. You just like type with your um, Perplexity conversation and you just get your results back. The current status is that it is available for desktop and on macOS and Windows, and it has a free plan that it's available at the moment, but you can get the Pro version itself. And if you have the Pro, like you also have the Pro version of the browser too. So next up on the line is the browser company's Dia AI browser. So their vision was to design the first native AI browsing experience. I think this was also like the first that rolled out, or maybe like um, m- the first that was out there for a lot of people in the AI news. So the unique feature that it has a AI first URL bar and an AI context aware assistant. So for specific tasks that you want to do, like writing or shopping, you have the skills section in the features. So the focus of the browser companies is to feel like a co-working assistant and mostly like an intelligent teammate. The current status is that it is available on macOS with an invite-only beta for existing Arc users, and it's anticipated to have like a full launch late in 2025. So maybe we will see that happening in the next upcoming days. Now that like also OpenAI pushed that um, line with the AI browser. So next up is Microsoft Edge. Basically, it has a Copilot mode, and the vision was to basically bring AI automation to the enterprise browser. So I think it's available only for the enterprise clients, as I saw in multiple articles. But um, if I'm wrong, please comment down below and correct me. Um, the unique features is that you use basically Microsoft's Copilot for summarization, email drafting, and tab reasoning. The focus is that they want to basically integrate everything within the Microsoft ecosystem and the applications, and as well like the Windows workflows. And the current status is that it has full integration across desktop and business environments at the moment. Next to the line, we have Google Chrome with Gemini. So I don't know how many of you have seen that before, but Google Chrome has Gemini as a partner, like an AI assistant. So the vision was to keep Chrome relevant by embedding conversational AI directly to the browsing. And they didn't change a lot of things in the UI of Chrome as a browser, but basically they added a built-in Gemini assistant for summarization and reasoning to basically help for complex pages. The focus is to retain search dominance while adapting Chrome for an AI native era. So they want to basically stay relevant with the upcoming changes that the AI browsers bring into our era. The current status is that it has a like gradual rollout of Gemini powered Chrome, and it's planned to release globally. I think some of you might have seen that in your browsers. Some of you might not. I think it's dependent on region, as they said. So maybe more of you will be able to see that out. And next, we might have like for someone who is like more into security or privacy, we have Brave with Leo AI. So the vision is for Brave to offer privacy first AI browsing. Leo AI Assistant has end to end decryption, no data tracking, and secure local processing. And their focus is towards privacy and AI coexist. So they don't want to remove like the search from their browser, but they just want to, for people that they want to have an AI assistant, this to be there for them. The current status is that it's fully released and cross-platform along like. So next up, we have Sigma AI browser. So the vision was to build a creator-focused encrypted workspace with AI tools that they are already built in. So the unique features that it has Sigma Chat, GPT integration, summarizer, and zero tracking again. So they want to empower writers, researchers, developers with privacy and creativity as well. The current status is that it's free and cross-platform, but it emerging among more like privacy enthusiasts. Next up, we have Opera Neon. So this is a AI browser that it's developed by the Opera team. The vision is to offer an AI playground inside their browser. They have unique features like contextual reasoning, agentic mini apps, and a creative interface for research or coding. Their main focus is to make AI browsing visually immersive and more playful. Their current status is that they have a waitlist that it's open and a subscription model that is coming at any stage. Next up, we have Strawberry Browser. So their vision is to enable researchers and analysts to automate repetitive tasks and data collection. So if you're a data scientist or a data analyst, you might love this browser. They have screen learning AI agent, spreadsheet data compilation, and multi-site automation, which might be great for anyone who wants to do their job faster. They have autonomous data retrieval and research automation, and at current status they have an early alpha and waitlist. And I think their pro version subscription starts at $30 per month after a free trial. We have also some emerging and upcoming players. Fellow, which is a privacy by default AI browsing with learning based ad blocking. I think privacy is something that we will have to discuss in the next part of the series about AI browsers. Poly, contextual automation engine designed for research teams, and GenSpark, which is a hybrid browser blending summarization and natural conversation. So, as part of this episode, since I also am a Perplexity Pro user, it's not sponsored. I have a link for you. It's an affiliate link. I get something when you download Comet and you use it, and you get a month of Perplexity Pro for free. So if you're interested into trying one of these AI browsers and you want to use them for free, you can either choose one of all of these that I mentioned before and they are free, or you can use Comet in order to get 1 month free of Perplexity Pro. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Break by Friday. This is only part one, as I mentioned before, of the browser wars. Tune in to listen to the next part. If you find this podcast valuable, subscribe on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen, and leave a review if you enjoyed this episode. Your support helps us continue bringing you the latest insights in AI and technology. And until next time, keep creating and keep building and pushing the boundaries on what's possible with AI.